Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. A human rights activist and legal professional, barrister Aloy Ejimakor and also special legal counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has recently uploaded viral video of Holy Father Pope Leo XIV on the recent Fulani terrorist attack in Benue State of Nigeria. The ex-post from Vatican News details Pope Leo's response to a tragic massacre in Benue State, Nigeria, where approximately 200 people, mostly internally displaced persons sheltered by a local Catholic mission, were brutally killed on the night of June 13 to 14, 2025. This incident highlights the ongoing violence in the region, particularly affecting rural Christian communities, and underscores the failure of local and national authorities to protect civilians amidst frequent clashes between nomadic herders and settled farmers. The Pope's call for security, justice, and peace in Nigeria, as mentioned in the post, reflects a broader international concern about the escalating violence in the middle belt of Nigeria, a region known for its ethnic and religious tensions. This violence is part of a larger pattern of conflict that has seen thousands of deaths over the years, as documented by organizations like Amnesty International and reported in media outlets like Reuters and The Guardian, indicating a systemic issue rather than isolated incidents. The post's mention of Amnesty International's demand for justice and the Pope's prayer for the victims occur in a context where the Nigerian government, under President Bola Tinubu, has been criticized for its slow response to such atrocities. This criticism is echoed by public figures and activists on X, who note the stark contrast between the Pope's swift acknowledgement and the delayed reaction from Nigerian leadership, suggesting a deeper political and security crisis that challenges the state's capacity to govern effectively and protect its citizens. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. See you soon.
Nella notte tra il 13 e il 14 giugno, nella città di Yelewata, nell'area amministrativa locale di Guma, nello stato di Benue, in Nigeria, si è verificato un terribile massacro in cui circa 200 persone sono state uccise con estrema crudeltà, la maggior parte delle quali erano sfollati interni, ospitati dalla missione cattolica locale. Prego affinché la sicurezza, la giustizia e la pace prevalgano in Nigeria, paese amato e così colpito da varie forme di violenza. E prego in modo particolare per le comunità cristiane rurali dello Stato di Benue, che incessantemente sono stati vittime della violenza.